Good morning, all. Shadow here. Just want to give a quick Bitcoin update and US 500 update today. Don't press for a little bit of time, but right now it just looks like we're coming back in for a retest of this range in here. Rejected off the top of the range, about 20,500. Um, and it looks like we're headed back in the range. That's really all I have to say. It's still looking bullish. Still got a green AO here. Hopefully we flip the balance line here, and continue to break upwards. But we do have to break this resistance here. We got rejected pretty hard, and we would like to see something like this if we have continuation. But right now it looks like we might range here for a bit, and then we'll see where we go. Right now, if you guys took the longs that I posted on yesterday's video, you're well into profit. I also posted a tweet on the 21 minute, and I'll show you that last night that I took, and hopefully that you guys took as well. With this giant divergence here, I posted this exact chart right here. As you can see, price try to break way up here, okay? And then you can tell it was a false breakout because momentum did not really clear this peak, barely cleared it. So you're looking at this giant divergence here. Look at the slope of this line, way up. So if price drives up and we're above the balance line of 0.0, I posted this on the 21 minute chart. We started, this was the short call right here on this candle where I shorted last night and woke up in nice profits. This candle here, tried to push up again, but as you can see, it just tanked overnight. Woke up around this candle here. I just closed everything out. Like I said, I don't get greedy. And overall, right now, if you wrote it, you're at a 2% gain without leverage or margin. So looking good there for those shorts. Right now, I'm just looking really for the graph charts to play out. Right now, nothing on any time frame is really looking interesting right now. There'll be some things on the lower time frames, but right now, even the 1 hour, nice short call, same thing. Nice giant price divergence, as you can tell. So price tries to break up, fails. Here's your short right here. Boom. Then it falls. So right now, I'm just looking for the charts to play out. I'm going through them all right now. Everything looks like it's going to continue to bleed. I'm expecting right now, like I said, that range, and then I'm really looking something possibly like this today. Just bleed right down. Time will tell right now, but right now there's no great setups. Right now we're bleeding on the US 500. Bitcoin tends to follow US 500 very closely. You saw this run up on the US 500 and all the stocks yesterday, but we've bled off about a third of a run up on most of this yesterday since we gained like 700 points. But right now, there's not much to update. Right now, I'm just going to sit back and relax. There was the long from yesterday's video about 24 hours ago. And now there's the short that we took last night that I posted on Twitter. If you guys don't follow me, definitely do that because I can't get videos out all the time. And now we have to wait for the charts to develop. That's it. I mean, you can always zoom in and take nice scalps, but at the moment, we can zoom in further, 15 minute. See, so if price breaks well below this previous peak and the slopes are about the same, I'm not going to take that trade. And we can continue to zoom in. 10 minute actually looks not bad for a scalp here. So if you're looking, if we get a green AO and price doesn't break too far down, there's a nice scalp developing right here. And as you can see, the divergence forming. So if we get, and it looks like this one in 7 minutes or so will open green or get close to opening green and roll back. So it looks like we will see a scalp long, possibly back into somewhere up 2150 or so. So I might take that as a quick scalp just for a 100 or 200 point move. But we'll see how it plays out here in the next half hour. But if this is what you're looking at here, just the green AO, so looking for a scalp long here. And I'll post it on Twitter before the video gets updated. But to keep this channel free and for the education purposes, if you can, use my referral link in the description. And there's some nice bonuses on PrimeXBT. I take all my trades on PrimeXBT. It's a great website, no KYC, and it just helps me out to keep this channel free for you guys. So hopefully there's this, like I said, this scalp long. Other than that, nothing on the higher time frames. I'm going to suspect that we range a little bit here until the next move. And, I'm going to be looking for, whatever that move is. We'll just, up or down, I'll post the video on it. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll chat soon.